Alright, ladies and gentle folks, so this is what, day 3, I think? I don't know. I tell you what, like I haven't really been doing intros to videos. It's been kind of sad actually, but maybe when we get back to the States I'll actually start doing intros or intro to a couple of these videos. But what I can tell you is today that we are going to be going to Nismo Omori Factory. That is the plan for today. It is a overcast day, Sunday, and in the States right now it is like 9 o'clock at night on Saturday, so Saturday night. So looking out this window here, I don't know if you can see that, but way out in the distance there is Alright. Way out in the distance is Tokyo Skytree. So right here is Shibuya Sky. So right there we have we are actually scheduled to go and see that. So we're gonna go and hit up some of these spots. So let's go. Yamanate line. Alright, so we just got off the train. It was like an hour long, and now we're in like completely super quiet. Like I don't even want to raise my voice. It's that crazy. Somebody got their bloomers out there. I don't know if you can see that. It's funny. Look at this. This is just like crazy. Like stuff everywhere. Little K-trucks everywhere. This is just nuts. Where we gotta go? Right? I want to say? Yep. This is nuts. So, I think we're about in probably say like 20 minutes away, because we got to travel right outside the city limits and go to where we got to go to. Pachinko. Look at that. It's a random Pachinko. This is nuts. Is that a cop? That is a cop. Look at that. That's a cop. Oh, this is a major road. How? This is crazy. I like it. So, yeah. Go over here. How do we just go from, like, the back alleys to this? What? Gas station. Oh my god, yeah. There's a gas station over there. You see it? It's like way back there, but it's back there. It's crazy. Alright, oh, too much zoom. Alright, so we're gonna get to Omori Factory in like maybe 10 minutes or so. Look at the cops. Man, oh man, look at them. It's kind of dope, actually. And oh shit. I didn't mean to do that. 0. Alright. Now we're good. There we go. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Oh, look at him. That's crazy. Alright. Let's go. So, give us like maybe a couple minutes here and then we'll be over there. Mad random. Why do I keep doing that? Mad random. Skyline, R33. Just chilling. Alright, let's get there. Oh, it's a GTT, but still. Oh boy, we made it. Look at this. Look at how nice it is. Look at how nice it is. Look at that. It's so good. So good. So good. And we already bumped into the people that were already had shopped there. So this is really nice. We keep hearing cars. They're above the thing. So this is really close to Daikoku. So we're going to try to see if we can't find anything here. See if there's anything in the parking lot. Yesterday at the auto show, we saw like an EV R32 GTR, which is kind of wild. That they redid an R32 GTR as an EV, which is nuts. So let's go in here and find out what we got. Let's go. super exciting news here. Just got done with Omori Factory. It's really nice R35 just sitting outside. Really, really nice. Evo 8 and a Nismo 370Z. Really nice. We are going to be heading back, and I think we're going to make one more stop, but we did pick up really something really nice. So that is going to be nice. I don't want to tell you guys what it is, but yeah, we got something nice for the GTR, so I'm really excited for it. Yeah, that was awesome. That was awesome. And look at, I'm not even joking. I can't even tell you this. Look at what they did. So they stuck these things on the sides, and they made it so that you can actually carry it, which is kind of awesome. I'm gonna be honest with you. But yeah, this thing is awesome, and so we're gonna make our way back to the train. We're gonna make our way back to the train right now, and yeah, get back on the train and head to our next place. So we're gonna pick it up on probably the next video, because yeah, we got probably like an hour or so to go. But look at this highway. Like look at that. Like there's just a straight shot down that road there. It's freaking crazy. And the highway is right here to Daikoku, somewhere around here. So looking up top, like it's really crazy, really crazy. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. And like I said, we have some stuff, so when we get back to the States, it is going to be a really nice. So we picked up a bunch of stuff so far, and Danielle just let me do it, right? Danielle's let me do it. Yeah, it could always be worse, but you know what? When in Rome, you know, this stuff here is super cheap. I'm not going to say super cheap. We're not going to say super cheap, but cheaper than what you would find in the States, and some of it is actually duty-free or tax-free, so which is pretty awesome for us. So but yeah, we're gonna end this video off. Hopefully you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. So it'll probably get picked up on the train to our next destination. So let's go.